What are you? Let me see your birthday pajama outfit. Are you Pikachu? Wow. Are you excited to come downstairs?
Yeah.
Where's your brothers?
Wait, what?
What? What is that? Whoa. Are you so excited? Are you so excited that it's your birthday and you have all these cool balloons?
Your birthday party.
Ooh.
No, that's your favorite. Yeah, those are your the goodie bags.
Those are goodie bags? Ooh, I want the blue one.
No, that's mine.
Oh, it's yours?
Oh. Don't drop the balloon. Whoever drops the balloon first loses. Who believes in each other? I hit. Whoa. Basketball.
Alright, you guys, we are in the kitchen. We're making Zack's birthday breakfast. Grandma special. Yummy. I'm gonna go get the eggs. Yeah, this is Zack's favorite breakfast. Bacon, and potatoes, and I'm gonna get the eggs ready right now. And the grandma special is done. How delicious. So for the 500th day in a row, made more of this dalgona coffee. If you guys want the recipe, it's in that vlog entitled Made That Viral Dalgona Coffee. So mom's also gonna make this salmon right here. And then she's also making sinigang, if you guys know that. It's like a Filipino soup. It's our favorite and it's Zack's favorite. And he requested it for his birthday dinner. Mom, we don't have like the right cuts of meat, so we're making do. But it's still gonna be delicious. And then over here, Mom is thawing out some ground beef because she's gonna make egg rolls. She's gonna make lumpia. Ooh, look at Elizo. He's practicing his writing. Elizo, you have to write beautifully. And Zack is waiting for his first online meeting for class. How exciting.
I don't know how to read.
I'm cracking up. Zack's having his like online meeting and Elizo is like answering the questions that the teacher is asking. While he's doing his little craft work right there. Elizo's in my room. He's writing a birthday card for Zack. It's so cute. Elizo, I'm going fishing. I got a fish. Oh, I caught it. Oh.
Did this rot on
Are you guys done with school now? Kate, Zack, are you, Eliza, where's the fish?
I got it.
Oh, you dropped it on the floor. So right now I am downstairs. It is a hot mess with the balloons. Everyone's kind of like getting ready. They just finished up doing school. So I'm watching the soup that's boiling. Then that is still thawing, but I think it shall be done pretty soon. This is something I'll show you guys what this is later once it's done, because I don't want to open it while it's still cooking. But yeah, and I'm just gonna start working over here. Maybe tidy up a little bit. Alright, the kids are ready to go swimming. I just put sunblock on them, so now they're just getting ready to go swimming. They're just letting the sunblock percolate. But yeah, we're lucky that it's super sunny today because it's supposed to start raining this weekend again, so. Look at Eliza's already getting in the pool. Hey, don't go all the way in yet. Your sunblock isn't done. You have to wait a few more minutes. I wanted to show you guys what was in here. So Mom, what is this?
This is salmon
But you cooked it.
Sardines
Ooh,
in
salmon
olive oil.
sardine. Like you're making it like sardines.
Yes.
Ah, cool. Look at John's Animal Crossing. He's going fishing. Woo! We took Animal Crossing to the next level. Guys, so right now I'm gonna do Mom's hair. So she'll be party ready. Mom's hair is all done and it is so fluffy and so gorgeous. Wow, look at Mom's hair, it looks so fantastic. She wanted it to be voluminous and big, and it is all those things.
Hello.
Swim to the waterfall, Eliza, go, you can do it. Remember these? Yeah, I got these for like 50 cents. Help me open them, please. Yeah, because they already broke the water guns. They asked me and got them. But also, Mom's gonna make some egg rolls and we're gonna film it. Hope you guys are excited about this.
Wait.
There are the egg rolls. I was trying to film a time lapse, but I don't know how much I actually filmed because I ran out of memory on my SD card. But it looks delicious. Alright, Mom's making Zach a strawberry cake because it's his favorite. And we're excited about it because I also really like strawberry cake. Also, this is the mold that we're using. It's like a sand castle. It's gonna be super cute. And we're gonna let the kids decorate them later. Alright, who is ready to decorate Zach's birthday cake?
Zach has the most options. Actually, Zach has the most.
Zach, explain your cake to us.
So, we're gonna put that like rainbow sprinkles like on these.
Eliza, not yet, baby.
These on these parts.
Uh-huh.
The green parts on this part. What? And then the one on this one.
Oh, okay.
And then wait, and then red one. Yep. Okay.
Wow.
The colors right here, right there.
Okay. So Eliza's just eating the frosting with a
Wait, I
spoon.
didn't use
just
this.
Instead
not
of decorating the cake, Eliza does not care anymore. He's only here for the frosting.
Hendrix doesn't
Oh,
have
wow,
eating the
kid, look at
frosting.
yours. I like that. Nice door decor. Wow, Zach, look at you.
Candies.
Whoa, look at that. A masterpiece, Eliza. Wow, look at Zach's. That green.
Hendrix, your face.
Ooh.
What do you mean more
Kid,
sprinkles
very
for?
nice. In other news, here is
Wait.
the food, or here's the food that Mom made. She made some pancit, some like, it's like chow mein, but it has like really thin, it's a glass noodle.
Stir fry.
Oh.
Glass noodle.
And then over here we have the lumpia, the egg rolls. Mom has her
And we have
tuna. Wow, it smells very
Salmon.
fishy. Salmon, not tuna.
salmon.
Over here, Mom has The sinigang.
Let me see. Let me see.
Okay.
Show you the sinigang.
Show us the beef.
Because we have a lot of there's a
lot of spinach. Ooh, yum. So good. Alright, the food is all out now. The fish looks so delicious. Dad's mouth is salivating. He is ready to eat. Eliza is covered in frosting and candy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Daddy. Happy birthday to you.
Look out away.
You have to make a wish.
Oh wait!
You have to make a wish.
Close your eyes and make a wish. Did you make a wish already?
I wish to fly.
Well, you could have told us what it was.
Oh no.
How are you gonna fly now?
Alright.
I don't actually.
Okay, so I am back in my room, and it was a very long day, but it was so much fun. Zach and the kids all had a blast, and that's really all that matters, but it was a blast, I think, for everyone. Mom did a fantastic job with the food. It was so delicious. The kids had so much fun decorating the cake, and they had so much fun swimming, and then we had our family movie night. We watched, what was it called? It's that new Disney movie that they put on, like the Disney app. What's it called? Like, it's the one with, I think they're like trolls or something, and they go on a quest. On We Go? I don't remember. I'm so sorry. But the movie was really, really good. It was so cute. So we had so much fun watching that. And now the kids are actually, I think they might be trying out the new game that I got them, or that I got Zach, Splatoon 2. So I think they're playing that a little bit right before they go to bed, and then tomorrow they're just going to go crazy. I think tomorrow's actually going to be a pretty sunny day, and tomorrow's the last day before it's supposed to start raining. It's supposed to start raining on Sunday, and it's going to be raining all through next week. So I think tomorrow they're going to go swimming, so that should be really fun for them. And I'm really oily. I think I'm actually going to do a clay mask right now before I go to sleep. And I'm actually going to, I'm going to put it on while I'm working on tomorrow's video, which is going to be this one. And, don't forget to check out itsHadrian.com. We're having a sale for Zach's birthday. 25% off your entire purchase. Make sure to send me a message, and I will discount the item for you. Or, but yeah, that's the end of the video. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys all in the next one. Bye!